Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I will show you how we can set up screen lock on this device. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to go for the lock screen, then tap on the screen lock type and simply choose that one that we want to get. I will go for example for the pattern. So you have to draw the pattern, click continue, then draw it one more time and click confirm. And after a few moments, when we are going to lock our device with this power button, okay, I just turned on camera, never mind. As you can see, when we swipe, we are able to use our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!